Well, I'm gonna mute this part out anyway.
Oh.
Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Soph with Perk by the Curl. Today we are going to be talking about some clip-ins. So the clip-ins that I have came from Heritage 1933. I have it in the fro curls. I bought a 12-inch and a 14-inch. These are the tags that came on the clip-in. It also came with this, which includes like the hair measurements, products to use, how to keep curl definition, daily maintenance, and things like what you do on your wash day. So I thought that was very cute and very handy. And a lot of the products that she suggests for you to use are products that I use on my own hair. And this company is Black owned. Get into it. Black owned. Go ahead, purchase your clip-ins from them. As you can see, my hair is like a paprika type color. So I went ahead and I dyed the clip-ins. If you want to see how I dyed my clip-ins, please click the link in the description box or click the link up above from the cards. But here's how my clip-ins look since I dyed them. They're almost an exact match to my hair. I mean, it looks kind of dark in here right now because of the overcast. Right now I'm going to be practicing a style for my wedding day. It's adding the clip-ins to give my hair some extra volume. So these are almost all of the clip-ins. Okay, so I already prepped my hair. I went ahead and blew it out. One is I parted my hair into three. So a part going across here and a part going down the middle. I will be using the Camille Rose Curl Love Leave-In, Curl Aid by Camille Rose, and the Extreme Gel, the newest formula. As you can see, I already have the back of my hair parted. Now I'm going to spray my clip-ins with some water and I'm going to comb through them so it gives it a nice bushy look so that I can apply them. Here I am showing you the clips on this particular clip-in. I started with the one that had 3 clips and then I'm going to apply it to the part. Now that I have it applied, I'm going to spray a little bit more water, grab my Camille Rose leave-in. I'm going to rub that through the clip-ins and my hair, and then I'm going to begin twisting the bottom row. After this, I decided just to go ahead and apply the remainder of the clip-ins just to speed up the process and then to go back and twist it. But I'm showing you my twist here, and now I'm going to repeat the process. Yeah, miss me with that bullshit. Now it's time to do the front. So you're going to grab your edge booster. I have the yellow jar. It smells really good. Now I'm just pulling my hair back just to see how it's going to look. Go ahead and part this into smaller sections. And then you're going to grab the edge booster. Make sure you place the edge booster at the root of your hair and then brush it through. You want to get a good amount, as you see me doing here. I go through and I apply my edge booster. After that, I grab my Extreme Wet Line Gel and I do the same thing. Like, I lace it on here and make sure it's nice and brushed through. The edge booster holds your hair so well, especially once you brush it. And then that the Extreme Gel gives it that extra slit that you need, and it holds your hair down. And then you're going to continue to brush through each part and then apply it like so. Don't forget to slick down your edges. You know, you got to have the baby hairs popping. But after you do this, grab a rubber band and you're going to pull your hair back as tightly as you can. I think I used 2 rubber bands. And you're going to wrap this around your hair. And after you do this step, you're going to twist that ponytail so it can blend in with the rest of the hair. That took a good hour. Take the scarf off so you can see how it looks. Okay, so it's the next day and my camera is crooked. My hair is dry. I went to the gym this morning, I had to work out, so I had to lay my edges back down. And then I added some more edge control. But the only thing is, like, right in here, it kind of caked up when I added more of the edge control on top of that extreme gel. So I was adding a little oil and some of it went away. But anyway, we're about to take this down. Melanin hair care oil to take it down. A little bit of that. Rub it all over. Fingers crossed that this comes out right and my hair looks right, because y'all know me, I'm gonna be upset that this don't come out right. So far, it's okay. Okay, so I have all of the twists loose. I have a bobby pin right here, just holding it to be pushed back, which I'll probably adjust. First initial thoughts, But I know not to judge my hair too prematurely, because once I fluff and all that good stuff, it's normally a vibe. So let's keep going. I decided to go ahead and bobby pin my hair back just to pull it back to give it a more clean and sleek look. I finished picking it out to give it that fluff that I'm looking for, and here are the final results. I absolutely love how it came out. I played with the blending a little more after this video, but you know, your girl was cute or whatever. Ew. She did that. She did, yo.